We see from the way this thermochemical equation is written that the heat, in this case 57.9 kilojoules, is part of the reactants. That means that this is an endothermic reaction, and therefore the delta H of the reaction is going to be a positive value, or as we see, 57.9 kilojoules for the reaction as written. And as the reaction is written, we see that we have 2 moles of NO2 produced. If we have a different amount of NO2 produced, we can use this thermochemical equation as a type of conversion factor. So we can start with 7.6 moles of NO2 that's being produced, and our thermochemical equation tells us if we had 2 moles of NO2 that it would involve a positive 57.9 kilojoules. Looking at our units, we see we now have canceled out units of NO2, but we want our answer in joules. So we need to conclude the conversion factor that a kilojoule is equivalent to 1,000 joules. Checking our units, we see now that kilojoules cancel and our final answer is in joules as requested. Our calculator answer is thus 220,020 joules. Now let's look at our sig figs. 2 sig figs here, 3 here. Now the number of joules is given per exactly 2 moles of NO2. So this 2 does not limit our sig figs. Instead, that is considered an exact number. So we have an infinite number of sig figs. So from the thermochemical equation, we see that we'd be limited to 3 sig figs if that were our least number of sig figs. This is exact. It's not going to affect our answer, so we know we need to limit ourselves to 2 sig figs, which means we're going to have to write this number in scientific notation. So let's do that in 2 steps. So it's 2.20020 times 10 to the 5th joules, and now we can easily convert to 2 sig figs, so it's 2.2 times 10 to the 5th joules.